In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Gmail. Whether you're looking to add a professional touch to your emails or just want to include your unique flair, creating a signature in Gmail is a straightforward process. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Gmail account, which you can access by heading to your browser and typing in mail.google.com. Once you're logged in and you can see your inbox, look towards the top right corner. You'll notice a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it, and you'll find an option labeled See All Settings. This is where you need to go to customize your email settings. Once you're in the settings, look for a tab that says General. This is typically the first tab you'll see. Scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled Signature. This is where the magic happens. You'll find an option to create a new signature. Click on Create New, and a pop-up window will appear, asking you to enter a signature name. This name is just for your reference, especially if you plan on using multiple signatures, so name it something simple like Work or Personal. Now that you have your signature slot ready, you'll see a text box below where you can start crafting your perfect email sign-off. Here, you can type out your desired signature. Keep in mind that this is a great place to include your full name, job title, company, contact information, or any other details you think are relevant. Gmail also allows you to get a bit creative with formatting. You can change your font style, size, and add colors. If you're inclined, you can even include hyperlinks, images, or your company logo by using the toolbar above the text box. Once you've designed your signature to your liking, take a moment to decide where and when your signature should appear. Directly below the signature text box, you'll see options to select which email address the signature applies to if you manage multiple accounts, and whether the signature should appear on new emails, replies, or forwards, or all of the above. Adjust these settings to suit your needs. Before we wrap up, always remember to save your changes. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click the Save Changes button. This is crucial to ensure your signature is included in all relevant emails moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature to your Gmail account. Having a signature not only saves time by eliminating the need to type out your information repeatedly, but also adds a touch of professionalism to your communications. I hope this guide was helpful, and feel free to revisit these steps if you need to adjust your signature in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.